Hey there, nature lovers. Feeling a bit sluggish lately? Today I'm sharing some fantastic natural ways to boost your energy, straight from Mother Nature herself. Ready to feel revitalized? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the magic of sunlight. Ever noticed how a sunny day lifts your spirits? That's because sunlight triggers the release of serotonin, a hormone that boosts your mood and energy levels. Spend about 20 minutes outside each day and you'll feel more awake and alive. Now, on to hydration. Water is the essence of life, and staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy. Dehydration can make you feel tired and sluggish, so always keep a bottle of water handy. For an extra kick, try adding a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves. Next, let's explore the power of herbal teas. Green tea, for instance, contains a modest amount of caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine, which helps improve focus and concentration without the jitters. Or try ginseng tea, known for its energy-boosting properties. Just make sure to enjoy these in moderation. Now, have you heard of adaptogens? These are natural substances that help the body adapt to stress and exert a normalizing effect upon bodily processes. Rhodiola ashwagandha and maca root are great examples. They can help improve your stamina and reduce fatigue. You can find these in health food stores, often in supplement form or as powders to add to smoothies. Speaking of smoothies, incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet is essential. Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds are packed with vitamins and minerals that your body needs to produce energy. Try a smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk and a spoonful of chia seeds for a delicious and energizing start to your day. Now, let's not forget about the power of movement. Regular exercise, even something as simple as a walk in the park, can do wonders for your energy levels. It increases blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Plus, being in nature can lower stress and boost your mood, making you feel more energized overall. And finally, let's talk about sleep. It might seem obvious, but getting enough quality sleep is essential for maintaining your energy levels. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down. Disconnect from screens at least an hour before bed and consider using natural sleep aids like lavender essential oil or chamomile tea. So there you have it. Simple, natural ways to keep your energy levels up. Remember, nature has all the tools we need to stay vibrant and full of life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Naturally, see you next time.